Our driveways are 4 inches thick, and that is 4,500 pounds per square inch. We will do more than that if homeowners request it, but we can pour 4-inch driveways and have RVs park on it without question. Just because 4-inch concrete is standard doesn't mean we aren't willing to go above and beyond that. We are not shy to turn away from requests, and we'll work with you. We want to give you the best option. If it's a bigger, semi that you have, or something that's going to be very heavy sitting in one area, we're going to figure out, the science behind how much concrete you need. We're not going to try and upsell you, right? We're just going to make sure that you're getting what you need without going above and beyond. We want to make sure that what you have is going to fit your needs.